Modern ships are very different from their predecessors. They're more eco-friendly, moving towards innovative propulsion systems and alternative fuel sources to reduce fuel consumption and maintenance while meeting stricter environmental regulations. They're smarter and safer, many with autonomous navigation features. The Internet of Things and big data analytics are driving these possibilities, transforming the face of the maritime industry with exciting new features and enhancements. All these new requirements fundamentally impact every aspect of how new ships are built. But despite the demands for greater innovation, many shipbuilders still design, validate, and manufacture modern ships without modern tools, greatly limiting innovation. They use disjointed niche applications for each stage or process, delaying the discovery and resolution of problems until later in the process, and resulting in increased cost due to rework. Siemens Xcelerator Marine Engineering is helping you break those barriers to innovation by delivering the combined power of two industry-leading marine engineering solutions, NX and Foran. Shipbuilders can now optimize designs and accelerate time to market with unprecedented speed. Seamlessly integrated into the Xcelerator portfolio, these tools enable you to optimize workflows across all teams and all stages of design. For example, you get simplified hull-form modeling and rapid definition of the ship general arrangement in 3D, eliminating the errors and inconsistencies of traditional 2D approaches. Designers can create every aspect of the ship arrangement using rapid part placement from the reuse library that speeds design and helps simplify transition to the next design stage. Once designed, integrated optimization tools enable you to easily produce hull form and performance optimization studies, so you can create highly innovative and optimized designs. A common interface allows you to author and modify data across disciplines designing the ship. The unified design environment empowers all teams to work better together in parallel with less risk. For example, the electrical systems team can immediately identify if steel structure design changes introduced a new integration problem, enabling the teams to resolve it faster and avoid later, costlier surprises and delays. And the benefit applies to all disciplines, from machinery accommodation and piping to HVAC, secondary steel, outfitting, and more. And data and designs from all teams can be visualized simultaneously in real time in a single collaborative environment. When it comes to ship design, validation and quality must be assured early, and Siemens Integrated Validation simplifies those processes. Designers and engineers can perform a variety of validation checks continuously throughout the process to prevent time-consuming and costly problems. Leveraging the full power of the Xcelerator portfolio, advanced fluid dynamics capabilities allow engineers to simulate and validate performance early, including hydrostatic and draft computation and power prediction. Combining design with Teamcenter's collaborative design management streamlines workflows, further reducing wasted time and risk. Immersive visualization capabilities, including fly-through animations for team meetings and design reviews, help resolve potential fit and functional issues early. You can tap into extensive VR capabilities to provide crew training or interactive tours. And these are just a few of the advantages Siemens Xcelerator Marine Engineering brings to ship design and shipbuilding. Visit us on the web to discover more about how it can help your team build better ships faster.